I'm going to add my top message hierarchy text that I want to put here at the top because it's the most important that they see. And I will grab my text tool, horizontal type tool, and just use point text. So I'll click and type. So my text is in kind of a grayish color. I think I'll make it a little bit lighter. I'm going to put the check mark there. I can grab my move tool and move it around. Let me take a minute and add the rest of the text. Alright, I've added the rest of the text. Basically, what I'm trying to do here in my design to grab my paintbrush tool and show you is to funnel information into the middle here. So that's why I placed the text the way that I placed it